I think it's the best place to raise a family on the farm. It's just a wonderful place for a kid to grow up and learn responsibility, kind of even the life and death, things that happen on the farm. I can't imagine a better place to grow up.
I enjoy working with my brother and my parents, and so in that regards, I'm blessed to work with my family like we do every day.
It's fun to do it with my sons, and really when I say family, I mean all the people that help us wake up and do what we do every day.